everybody, happy Sunday, and again happy new year. Thank you all to all my new subscribers for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. If you did not catch my sewing buzz video for January 1st, all the latest buzz in the sewing and DIY community, go check that video out. I will leave it up in the iCards and down in the description box as well. And so today I thought it would be fun to record and bring to you guys my makes from 2020. So I'm not going to go through everything that I made, but I do want to bring some receipts, as the young people say, right? You all, if you saw my plans video, I think I did a plans for 2020 video in January, and I talked about this notebook that I have that I would start keeping for me, so I know what I made, but start keeping track of everything that I've made and if I've kept it, different things of that nature. And so yeah, I wanted to come in today and pretty much give you just a roundup. I'm going to share with you what were my favorite things I made, what was my most worn, and the most used pattern company. So today, actually, if you can tell, I am wearing, this is the MiMiG, I'll put a picture up here. It's this pattern. I cannot remember the pattern number. That is what I am wearing today. And so yeah, so let's go through. When I was going through, and this is why I wanted to kind of keep tally of the different things that I was making, and if I made something more than once, how often I was wearing things. That was the whole point of me keeping everything in this notebook. And so it worked so well for me that I am going to continue this. I can see me just doing this going forward because I like being able to go back to every month. So every month I'll write down in my book, you know, the month it is, and then write down every single thing that I made that month, and then I'll put in parentheses if I kept it or not, because quite a few things that I made, and you'll hear about that shortly, in 2020 were gifts or things that was sent to people and stuff like that. So not necessarily things that I have kept for myself. But drum roll please, I made a total of, and this is including handbags and wallets, and I couldn't believe it once I totaled everything up, I made a total of 85 things. Now on average for me, I made between, if I average this out, 6 to 7 things a month, which is a lot for me. I think if I'm doing one piece a week or something like that, I'm fine with that. However, there were some bumper months. February was a bumper month. January is a bumper month. What other month? I think August might have been a bumper month. And then there were a couple months where I didn't make maybe 1 or 2 things. And so yeah, it just depends. The 85 did include 1 bra and 3 pairs of panties, which you all saw that video. It was the Rebecca Page sports bra and also the Rebecca Page basic panties. And so I did that more recently. I think I did that in September and so of last year. So yeah, but out of the 85 items, I couldn't, now this is what blew my mind, I made 23 handbags and wallets. 23. I'm thinking, no, that can't be right. I don't feel like I made that many, because I feel like I'm behind. There's so many handbags, and plus I know I still owe you all so long, and I'm gonna get to it. It probably won't happen until March, because there's a lot going on behind the scenes for those who are on my email list. If you're not on the email list, So Natural Dame, definitely go click down below. You'll get a link in the email once you sign up for a free body measurement chart. But yeah, you don't have to download the chart, but get on the mailing list. There is a lot going on that I've been working on in 2020 that you all will see here very soon and hear me talking about, and some special announcements and different things. So definitely, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and follow me over on social media. But yes, I literally made 23 handbags and wallets. Now, How many of these were mine? Not very many that I kept. I will say, I think a total of 8. What was it? No, yeah, most of these were things that I've kept. No, it wasn't. 7 were gifts. If you all saw my video last year in January, you know, I talked about the gifts, the purses and stuff that I was making for my family and different things like that. So 7 were those. And then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more were, so that's what, 14 were gifts, were prizes for the Black History Month Pattern Designer Challenge. One of the prize packs was something from me. And so there were, it looked like 7 things I made up. So that's 14. So 14 from 23 is 9. If my math is serving me correctly. And then 2 were custom orders, and so you'll hear about that in a future video, but was a custom order over December. And so so that's 2 more off. So what's that? What did I just say? So now we're down to 16 from 23. So 7 are other things that I have made. Some not so successful so far as handbags, but so yeah, I was like, whoa, that's something. Now let me share with you my favorite things that I made, and I will just pop up some pictures, and some of this probably will not be a shock to you all, but my favorites were this striped suit. This was a recreation from Eloquii. We went shopping on Eloquii. This striped suit, the shorts I used were the cashmere calendar pants, shorts, and then that McCall jacket pattern. Absolutely love the way that turned out. My MiMiG jogging suit, which I just did, but I love the green, gold, and white because yes, I am a Packer fan, and I absolutely love it. And then our anniversary outfit. So remember, I used the fabric from Minerva.com, and I made the Springfield top and the calendar shorts, and then I made my husband the tropical shirt. Absolutely love that. The cashmere Ellis skirt, I love this skirt, and actually I made to go with it is my other favorite thing that I made is the Vogue 1036 jacket to go with. I really like both of those. Really, I haven't worn them enough. That's the thing. But those were my favorites. And then of course the cashmere Alcott dress, as well as the Turner dress. I just love those silhouettes on me. I think, of course, you all know the drafting for cashmere I absolutely love, and so I love the fabrics that I use for this, for both of these dresses. The Turner dress, I used that was fabric from there's a sew along, so I will link that up above, but I used that was from Style Makers fabric. And then the Alcott dress, which I just did that video, that was my last make of 2020. You can go back and watch that. That was from Minerva.com. And then it's so funny, somebody must be having a birthday party. A purple balloon, just purple, my favorite color, just flew past the window, and it must have escaped from somewhere, but so cute. Anyway, and then the Butterick wrap dress I just did, 6675, which is also a sew along, but I absolutely love the way that turned out. I love the French seaming, the flounce. I think it's because of the flounce that I really love it, because of that flounce. It looks so good. I love the way it turned out. And then the Rebecca Page Kingston denim jacket. I wore this thing to death in 2020 after I made it. I made it, was it March maybe 2020? February? No, it was March. I wore that thing so much. I absolutely love it. Which brings me to the next item is what were my most worn garments in 2020 based off of everything that I have worn. The Rebecca Page Kingston jacket. Yes, that denim jacket. I wore that thing all the time. I wore it a lot, and I still wear it a lot. I might wear it just as a jacket going out the door or something like that. But love. Believe it or not, the Rebecca Page raincoat, the Andy Anorak, that was something else I made in 2020. But for those who live in Texas, you can relate. It rains a lot down here, and so I have worn that raincoat quite a bit. Anytime it's raining, I just go ahead and throw it on, because the rain here come down. Ooh, the rain come down hard here. But yes, so I wore that quite a bit. The Mrs. H sling bag and the NCW wallet, this one was also a sew along. So again, another free bag pattern, easy make, minimal hardware, but I did a sew along for this. And I have not switched out I have not made a new purse since I did this sew along. So most of the purses and handbags I made were pre this sew along, except for the client custom order that I got in December. But yeah, so I am well past due, because you all know I've mentioned this before. I absolutely love handbags. Love handbags. And so yes, so many on my to-do list. The next thing is all of my loungewear. You all know I did this video about loungewear that I need. I wear all that stuff all the time. Stuff I just wear around the house, just for sitting around and different things like that. I don't sleep in it, but just lounge around the house. Love everything. And then my the cashmere Calder shorts. Now I have made these shorts 3 times now. I have not made the pants yet, but I made the shorts. I made the shorts with that striped suit. I made the denim shorts, the lightweight denim, and then of course for the anniversary outfit. And I wore them, well, aside from the anniversary outfit, I wore that maybe twice, that set. But everything else, the denim shorts, oh no, and the striped suit I only wore maybe twice. But the denim ones I wore a ton. I wore those a lot. And then of course all of my cashmere Saybrook tanks all the time. Anytime I was running out somewhere, you all know I wore the yellow tank up under my MiMiG jogging suit, the striped one, and then I did the hack, wore 2 dresses. I wore that stuff all summer long because it was so easy just to throw on, go out and about, especially on those hot summer days here. And up to maybe October, I was still able to get away with wearing those. So yes, very much so. And then last but not least, what was the sewing pattern company I sewed up the most? Do we have to ask? You already know. Yes, I am completely biased. I have no affiliate link or anything with Cashmere Patterns, but I absolutely love her drafting. Yeah, I absolutely love the drafting. And the things that she come out with, they're very simple for the most part. So Cashmere doesn't have this like plethora catalog of patterns to choose from, but the things that she do have are really good staples to have and that you can tweak as you want. Or because things like the Alcott and Turner are, to me, are very simple, but what you can make those outfits, you know, bump up a little bit is the fabric choice. And I believe the fabric choice that I chose for both of those were absolutely beautiful, and it just spruces up that particular pattern even more. But yes, the most worn pattern company in 2020 was Cashmere, and I can definitely see that being the case in 2021 here. But yeah, there will be more other as you all saw if you saw my haul and different patterns I've talked about over the past later months of 2020. A lot of new, not new, but Style Arc was new to me in 20, that I've tried. I've heard of them, but that I tried in 2020, and I actually really like their patterns. And so yeah, you'll see me venturing off, of course, and other patterns. And plus, a lot of the other indie patterns have been expanding their size range. Even with me going down in size on my weight loss journey, I do find I can see me still having to grade from maybe in between 2 size ranges for some of these pattern companies. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward to all of the sewing in the year of 2021. So yeah, that is it, everybody. That for me, I know I'm not the fastest sewer or sew all the things, but for me, it was a pretty busy sewing year. And like I say, 2021 will be much of the same. If you did not catch my video, I just put up on, what was that, the last video of December of 2020. I just did a closet purge, and mainly because of the weight loss, but I'm gonna have another closet purge here pretty soon. And yeah, so my closet is turning over quite a bit, donating a lot, giving a lot of stuff away. And so I am going to need to replenish my closet. And so I am thinking out different things that I would like to make and wear and try as the year progresses. But stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, definitely stay tuned. You don't want to miss what I have coming up here in 2021, especially over the next few weeks. Yeah, this first month won't be a lot of new makes. There's a couple things I'll be bringing to you, but I have gotten a lot of questions in previous videos, so you'll see videos based off of those questions that I have received coming up over the next few weeks. And then a couple makes, and then February is really gonna be good. Really gonna be good. So you want to make sure that you have hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell, and make sure you thumbs up this video on your way out, because I promise there is a lot of good stuff coming up. And again, I highly suggest that you subscribe to Sew Natural Day and get on the newsletter list, because yes, the subscribers are seeing and hearing about some things that I have not talked about yet here on the channel. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for Wednesday. That will be my most challenging makes, the ones that gave me the most headache to make, but I did learn a lot. Thanks everybody for watching today. You all have a blessed week, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye.